outside.
Disgusting outside.
Oh, oh, mommy, I'm sorry. Please, mommy, leave me alone. A million shrimp. Yeah, that'll be good still. Oh dear. I don't want what she's selling. Not right now, at least. I'll take it later. Oh wait, do I not have the? Dude, I know there's some crazy mods for this game. I know there's some crazy mods for this game. I don't even have to. No, she loves burgers. She just hasn't had a taste. Keep saying BJ girl. Ah, fanboy. I'm a real one. What's good, Bryce? Real one. Wait, does that mean I have to go get the ball again? Ball. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot. Oh. I'm too busy having fun. I forgot to actually play the game. Can I play the piano? Oh, hell nah. I can't read this. Who do you think I am? Play it. I don't know how to play the piano. Oh. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Wait, this is goated. Wait, this is actually nice. Wait, W game. It's holding my hand. Oh, Papa's Gate. I kind of played it already. Low key. And then, stopped. I was just thinking about it too. I was like, man, I should come back to that game. One's left toe. Who's one? Why is there left toe? What about the right toe? You're so good at this. I'm so good at guessing the piano. Yay! Oh, look, I'm playing it, guys. I'm playing it right now. That's how good I am. Did you like that melody? Yay! Peter Griffin Key! I am the next great type. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! No! This Skibidi! Skibidi toilet! Skibidi toilet! No! Wait! No! No, wait, please, I'm sorry. Oh, mommy, I didn't mean that. Not good. Can I hide behind the bush? Guys, we're playing prop hunt. Dude, I was not. Dude, I was so close to the door. Guys, you think she sees me? That ain't me. 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 Oh. Where'd the ball go? Oh, yeah, it just looks like a crest. This is so boring. I need to do it again. Oh, oh, too much momentum. Wait, what? Oh, can I only die at the end?
Laid eyes on me.
Does he think I'm blind? Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! Come on! Come on! Come on! Hey, we did it again. Oh, you don't see me. Nope. I'm hiding. Oh dear. Oh dear, she doesn't see me. You don't see me, you don't see me, you don't see me, you don't see me, you don't see me. You're not gonna come outside, it's too cold. Why doesn't she like the other vampires? Is she more mommy? Oh, is this why I got kidnapped? No. No, no, it's not. What are we doing here? What's this? Oh! Pick up the dagger. Is this an Elden Ring reference? Oh, that makes sense. Mommy, I'm sorry. Oh, oh. Right in the back. Yeah, she's getting sucked. No, I need that. Oh, shoot. Yo, I hit her right in the kidney. What are we doing? No, what is happening? Why is she doing that? Oh, she's fine, right? Hey, where's good, Bella? That'd be good. Is it bad? Guys, she's too loud. Why is she so loud? Oh. Is it bad? I think she got hotter somehow. Yeah, I see why. Guys, I think she's twice as bad now. Guys, I think this is only an upgrade. We only go up from here.
Outside matches your inside now.
She's broken. Wait, do I have chem? Oh. Why is this game so loud? Why did this game get so loud all of a sudden? There you go. Dude, she's bad as hell. Can we bring her back? Oh, that's good, K2. Welcome in. Let me think here. Late for Jama. What's Jama? Oh, let's reload. Maybe we have some ammo. I hope that shotgun shot hurt her. Dude, we have so many bullets. Oh my god, we're rich. Dude, wait, can I put stuff down or is it only discarding? This server has been dead. Thank you, Tuki. My gosh. Oh, fuck. It's Microwave again. Welcome back, Microwave. Have you heated stuff up today? Oh, God, that's nasty. I'm sorry. That's nasty. Okay, what do I do? Wait, what is that? Oh, wait. Okay. Bala. My face. That you sneeze. Oh, wait. You don't have chem fluid? Wait. Oh, that was just healing. You hate gambling? What are you doing here then? Oh, Jesus. You know what? Am I hurting her? Guys, I don't think this is doing anything. I think we're just... Oh, yes, I am very lucky to have met you. There's no way she fits through. There's no way she fits through. Oh! Wait, what? Was that a tail? Wait, let me grab your tail. Let me grab your tail. Oh, is she gonna tear this whole place down? Dude, run where? It's a circle. Oh dear, guys, I think this rifle might be useful here. It makes my no, not the Discord, dude. If Discord chat had a chat, that'd be kind of cool. Okay, do we just snipe her? Oh, we do. Oh dear. Yeah, Twitch. Yeah. Guys, she's shaking my shit. Just like how I'd want to shake. Oh, where'd you go? Oh. Oh. She's tanking it. What's good, eggs? Why touch mommy? Hey, it's not my fault. Why is she red? What's happening? I'm scared. It's late at night, my bad. No, it's okay. It's very late. What's happening? The bugs. The bugs. They're my skin. Where's good, Callie? They're my skin. Get them out. Get them out. Heal. Hope I tried. Wait. Gotta remember the command. Am I safe in here? Oh, no, no. No. What, everything? Dude, let me test the tail. Guys, she got 10 times hotter. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. She just sneeze? Please do. Oh, I missed. Where's she going? Oh, dude. Oh, sniper. Guys, why does she have to be the first boss? I'm sad. Oh. Dude, she should have been the last one. Because I love her still. Wait, this is kind of better, low-key. She's taking back shots. Nice greed. No, just embrace it. You gotta embrace it. Oh, so she does have Rose. She was just lying. What? She wasn't over here. How she's teleporting. Oh, we can get inside now. This is peak. I like this. Guys, this is my wife. This is my wife. Oh dear. What's the game's name? Resident Evil Village. Joy. Guys, this is my wife. This is my future wife right here. I am kind of scared. Oh dear. Okay, wait. Oh, I got the shotgun out. Wait, every last morsel? Wait, say you promise. Say you promise. You pulled a fatty. I know, this is my future wife. Oh dear. Can I like shoot them out or? I'm so confused. Oh. Hey, what's good, random dude? I'm killing my wife. I hate it. I'm so sad. Oh. I miss my wife already. Yo, where are we going? Oh, thank God. No snarl. No. Dude, one stab and she gets mad. Damn. I think we got divorced, guys. I don't think she loves me anymore. Beak. I'm keeping that. Don't ask what I'm gonna do with it.
How was it? Did you learn anything?
Dude, this guy always has like
Now tell me how to fix
steak
this like you said you
or
would.
like steak sauce around his mouth.
First, you must use that key and collect all of your little roses flasks.
Oh, that's fucked up. That's
Where
so
are
fucked
the rest
up.
of them?
Slay, queen,
Four.
slay.
You have the one, and the other lords have the rest.
Dude, don't be mean
Lords?
to stream elements. Do not be mean to stream
Mother
elements.
Miranda is the
It's good,
cold,
Mark.
calculating ruler of this.
Yes,
Lords
slay,
serve
queen,
under.
slay. Dude,
The
he's a
first
big
you've already
queen.
met, the Lady Demetresse.
And he's explaining the game and I'm talking over him like I would normally.
The second lives deep in a valley of mist.
Oh,
the
Jesus.
dollmaker, Donna Beneviento.
Oh, no.
None of her playmates have ever come back.
Yeah,
from
well,
that
that's your
dang
fault.
gold estate.
Dude, I did not want to deal with her.
The third is Moreau, a
Oh.
being of twisted flesh that lives in the reservoir past the windmills.
Oh, wait. Do I beat him? Which one do I
It's
fight
said that he
next?
is not the only monster that lives in those waters.
Oh, water? What? I'm not going there.
The
No.
fourth
No,
and
thank you.
most dangerous is Heisenberg. He works in his factory
No, he
on
looks
the village
cute.
outskirts.
And he only makes meth.
And the project.
Let's go, Bentley.
Let's just say parts of the human imagination that are left
We're gonna kill them all! Yay! I'm praying upon my Oh. Okay. Guys, this is objectives.
If truly wish to save your daughter, you must first gather
Yes.
the 4 flasks.
Hey, this game's
I'll
kind
do you a
of
personal
short.
favor. I've marked the Lord's
Please forgive me.
locations on your
You
map.
don't need that asking for the forgiveness.
Some treasures still lurk in this village.
Dude, I'm not
I'm
getting
sure
treasures.
each one will prove of great use to you.
He thinks I'm gonna play the game.
Why, it's all part of our first-class customer service. Please do
thank
come
you.
again soon.
Thank you, Meow. I'm sorry, but like if I'm up at 2 in the morning in my bed and I get flashbanged, I'm screaming. What's good, Aaron? Why would I go in the elevator? Alright. Maybe we just gotta ride the elevator, maybe? Wait, how did I get in here? Oh, she's right here. Yay! A warrior of poop. What are you, the dung eater from Elderberg? Oh, she's a virus. This game has viruses.
Stupid idiot! What are you doing to my cute friends?
Stab! Hey guys, that was really easy. Oh, what the? Can my fingers grow back? Dang, let's get cash. Wow, that was that was low-key kind of weird, I ain't gonna lie.
Things right.